Welcome, builders. I want to apologize for the way I acted out there. Where you see, the first order arrived about a couple weeks ago, so we can't be too careful. Yeah. We got to make sure that you were the ones who were over there. But now that we're all in here and we're safe, welcome to the workshop. Take a look around. I know, it doesn't look like much. It doesn't look like much, but this is our home. And for us, this is everything. Allow me to introduce ourselves. This is Lynn, this is Tristan. My name is Austin, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We travel all across the galaxy, from here to the other side of the outer rim, scouring through forgotten outposts, abandoned starships, war-torn planets. And everything we find, we bring back here to preserve our past in order to ensure our future. And well, we bring it back here for you. But as you can see from outside, we are indeed in troubled times. And there has been a call for help. In the past, legends like Luke Skywalker answered the call. Have you heard of him?
Yes.
But now, there's a new Jedi. What was her name? Do any of you know?
Ray.
Ray, yes, Ray. The Sparkle Code. I mean, that's why we're all here, right? To answer that call. But you're also here for another reason. You're here to build this. A lightsaber. It is elegant, powerful, and mysterious. The lightsaber is a direct connection between the builder and the Force. And today, you will all feel that connection. It has been used by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest foes. And to build a lightsaber is an ancient art. And it all starts with this. The Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal is the heart of your lightsaber. It both magnifies and focuses the power of the Force into a blade. And the color of your Kyber crystal will determine the color of your blade. Us gatherers have managed to find 4 in our travels. And to start, we have blue. Once held by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green. Once held by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Luke Skywalker, and Master Yoda himself. Violet. Rare and beautiful. Once held by Master Mace Windu. Red. The crystal of power. Once held by Darth Vader. Darth Maul. Asajj Ventress. And now, Kylo Ren. But enough about them. We're here for all of you. It is time for you to choose your Kyber crystal. So I'd like to ask you all to please close your eyes. Please close them, I'll know what you know. What color do you see? What color calls to you? Concentrate. Choose that color and hold on to it, or it will be the heart of your lightsaber. Now please, open your eyes. Reach out and take your Kyber crystal. And after that, we have your pommels to go down at the bottom, and your activation plates to cover your Kyber crystal and activate your lightsaber. Are we ready, builders?
Yes.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's build.
Alright, builders. So,
All right, builders. So
we're going to start with our chest.
let's go ahead and make sure that these ridges are facing up towards us.
Right here at the very top.
So what we're going to do is we're going to place our Kyber crystal
Push that down and insert your Kyber crystal inside of this
So you
hole
just
right
point
here.
the point
Now it
to the
should
top of your
sink to
Kyber
you
crystal
as well as
essentially
line up.
push up.
If it does not, please let me know.
You'll know it's working because it'll light up.
It'll light up and
Go ahead and give your Kyber crystal a spin just to make sure it's
Doesn't matter up or down.
May I go next? First of all, oh, it does. Okay. These are older pieces that we found, so sometimes we need to make sure our power cells work with them. Next builders, we will be choosing our activation plates. On the inside of our activation plates, there is a red dot and a blue dot. Please make sure you choose from the same set, otherwise they will not match up. Please match the red dot to the red dot,
So yeah, on the inside
and then
there's
the
going to
blue
be
dot to the blue. As we go around,
blue square that's on each side.
I think the set is missing one.
this once you are done should look like this.
This looks missing one. I only have one.
Ooh, let's get you another set.
Oh no.
Thank you.
Is he going to direct option of please? You go ahead and choose a grade. So if you're going to want to make sure that it's facing towards your fiber crystal, slide it to the top like that. And it can be any chord you're gripped.
So next, once you are done with that, please face this hole right here at the very top toward you this year. Then we are going to take our grips around the edge of our rim. There is a thick band. Please make sure you push that closest to your activation. And you're going to screw those onto your activation.
That looks right. Yeah.
Make sure the thickest band, the thick band right here, goes toward right here. So you're going to screw that onto your activation.
I can grab another.
So you're going to put
And you can go ahead and choose it. Everything on stream so far this time.
so far, we're 2 hours long.
Only 2 hours? Not very good. Now, builders, it is time to build the bond between us.
Well done. Chosen are those with skill, chosen with heart. When joined they are much more they will become.
And now, builders, it is time to build a bond between builder and saber. And now, just as we started this journey together, we'll also finish it together. So in a moment, I'll ask you all to please take a step forward. Place your hands on your hilts and activate your lightsabers. But we will all do this together. Are you ready, builders? Ready. Take that step forward. Place your hands on your hilts and activate. Raise your lightsaber. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Congratulations, builders.
Yeah!
Please deactivate your lightsabers. The bond has been built.
Your lightsaber is light your path, it can't. Choose your path. Only you can. May the force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders, for seeking us out today. The lightsabers you have built are as unique and extraordinary as each and every one of you. Now, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. A remarkable power probably shouldn't be dropped on the ground. So, in order to protect your new lightsabers, we are pleased to present a saber sheath to you as you depart. Now, unfortunately, our time together has come to an end, but your journey is just beginning. It is time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. And who knows, perhaps someday we'll be telling your story. We wish you all a safe journey. And as we say here at Live Fire Outpost, till is fire. Till is fire.
Till it's fired.
Thank you for joining us today on